Okay, we have taken a nap for like 20 hours. Now we should just go down again. Oh, whoa, whoa! How did that fish get there? Well, this is what I call an easy meal. Let's go and eat it. I'll eat you. Oh my god, my giant wings are blocking the way. There we go. The flock is still not wake up yet. I wonder what they are doing. Ooh, who keep this on me? Ah, who did that? Oh, what happened here? Huh? Newborn baby penguin, what happened? What did you just throw? It was just a useless old newspaper. Oh, okay. I wonder where's Baldy? He's not here. Huh? What's that sound? Let's go and see. Huh? Baldy? What are you eating? I am eating my favorite food. And what is your favorite food? Here it is. Oh, fish. Well, eat peacefully. I am just going to wake up the flock. Okay, good luck. Nom, nom. Good luck eating that. Let me just get up. Okay, there they are. Let's first wake up Toucan. Toucan! Toucan! Yes, what do you want? We have slept till 20 hours. What, 20 hours? Yeah. Come on, I have to get down and do my work in the laptop. Oh, now I know he does work. Okay, where's baby peacock? Oh, there it is. There he is. And there is his father. He's already wake up. So, wake up, baby peacock. What are you doing to my kid? I'm just waking him up. Oh, okay. Wake up. Oh, what happened? We have slept till 20 hours. What, 20 hours? Yeah. So we have to do some activities. Okay, I'm just going to go. Wait for me. Oh, Daddy, where are you? Here I am. Yay, Daddy. Let's go. It's full sand. Yeah, of course it's sand. Oh yeah, you know a lot, right? Yeah, I know a lot, Daddy. Let's get this fish into the water. Let's help it. I will too. Oh, you're so kind. Bye bye, little fishy. Did it say thank you to me? Yeah, you helped it, so it said thank you to you. Oh! Ow. Rooster, good morning. Good morning. It's morning already. It's morning in the 5 o'clock, I guess. I don't know what's the time. Let me see in my watch. It's been 21 hours. What? Yeah, you all waked up 1 hour ago. I'm just going to brush my teeth. But did we brush our teeth? Why is he brushing now? We have to, little one. Come on, follow Daddy. Okay. Daddy, can I have the brush? No. Why? Let me keep it right here. Because you're too little. I brought you a baby brush. Oh, gimme. It's special for you. Yay! But what about your baby's toothpaste? What about your baby toothpaste? Let me get it. Ow! Sorry. It's okay. It's just a long time happened. Let me call him. Daddy. Yes. It's been a long time since you have gone to take the toothbrush. Oh, I'm coming, dear. Oh my goodness, an ant. I'll just chew it away. Is it on me? Oh, yeah. So, is it on me? Let me check. There's nothing on me. Daddy. Yes, I'm coming. Come, Daddy, come. Oh, I'm here, buddy. Yeah, I'm so excited. Here's your baby toothbrush. A baby toothpaste. Yay! Okay, off to brush now. I just kept it here. Let me brush again. It go. Oh, I forgot about brush. Where should I brush? You should brush in the baby sink. Yay! Oh no, you put too many. Let Daddy help. Okay. Here you go. Yay! Oh, wait. Baldy forgot to brush. Baldy? Yes? Brush before eating. Oh yeah, I forgot. Anyways, I've already finished. So let me brush. Here. Push. Oh, let me tell Peacock that his baby is going out of control. Peacock! Yes, Baldy? Your baby is playing with water, not brushing. He is playing with the brush too. Baby Peacock. Yes, Daddy? Why are you not brushing? Okay, I'll brush, Daddy. Well, that's okay. Oh wait, I forgot about your baby tongue cleaner. Here it is. Thanks, Daddy. And mine also. Mine also, And also. Mine also. And also. Other flock, come on, we are brushing. Oh wait, whoa. Slow down. Ow. Okay, I'm brushing. Oh, you're tongue cleaning? Yeah, we are all tongue cleaning. Okay, I'm brushing. I'm also brushing. Eh, eh, wah, wah, eh. Yes, I did it. Now let me face wash. Did it. Now let's stretch. Okay. Hey, who fell down? Oh, what happened? I fell down from up there. Don't worry, I'll wake up your mother to give to lift you back up. Okay. But anyways, it's been 22 hours we have been sleeping. Actually, you all have been sleeping because we were brushing. What? Oh, I have to wake up my brother, my mother, and my daddy. So she's gone. We have done. Pick up, pick up, pick up. What happened? Look, we have to blush. Look, we have already blushed. Oh, you have to blush? Yeah, come on, let's blush. Okay. Where did these two go? Where's my egg? This side. What are you doing? Nothing. Oh, phew, there's my egg. Huh? Oh, I forgot about the egg incubator. While I go to brush my teeth, this will keep it warm. Whoa, 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 whoa. This fell down again. Okay. Oh. There. Oh. Keeps rolling down. Phew, it didn't broke. Okay, quickly put the incubator quick on it. There's the egg. Let's go. Where did my wife and the kids go? Oh, they are going to brush. We have to brush. Yeah, we have to brush. My husband. Oh. You have to brush. Oh. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let's brush, family. Where's the egg? Green parrot? Oh, it's just incubating. It's just incubating in that incubator. Okay. Oh, wait for me. Wait for me. Mother, you forgot about your feather. Don't worry, I'm shedding my feathers, so it's okay. Just leave it and come, Orangey. Okay. Okay, we are here. Yeah. Okay. Let's brush. What's this fish doing in the way? Maybe Baldy ate it. Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. Oops, wrong way. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, Orangey. Blue Jay. Yeah, I'm going, Daddy. Now my turn. We got our baby toothbrush. Okay, let's start brushing. Okay, let's do it. Let's brush our beak. Yeah. Okay, let's brush our beak. Okay, I've done. Now let me just tongue clean. You want to, then let me do it too. Me too. Me too. Done. Done. Let's go, kids. Okay, I'll go. I'm coming with you. I'm coming with you, Father. Let's go. What should we do? Let's play with the ball. Yeah, I brought a ball. Let me get it. Okay. Got it. Okay, let's play it. Okay. Ow. You have to catch it. Let's go. Ow. I'm just going to sit here. And I'm just going to be here. 3 hours later, after all the birds brushed their beaks. It's been enough until we are playing catch the ball. Yeah, we have. Ouch, ow. Oops, are you both okay? Yeah, I'm okay, Mommy. Yeah, I'm okay, Green Parrot. Oh, Flamingo, you're just here. I'm here. Oh no! All fell down. Everybody, check if he's hurt. Okay, I'm going. I'm okay. Phew. He's okay, leader. Okay. Oh my God. It's winter. Yeah, it's winter. Come on. We have to fly south. It's winter, birds have to fly south. So we are birds. Let's go to the south flock. Yeah, let's go. I'll just bring my mic. Ow. Again. I wonder what's Baldy doing. He's just standing. Who burped? Nobody? Okay, I brought my mic. No, wait, I forgot. What happened? not that time. We have to go after one day. Oh, so we have to go tomorrow? Yeah. Okay, I got it. Wait, somebody is calling me. Hello? Yeah? Oh no! Oh, okay. We have so much customers, it will take 5 days for us to go to the bird city. What? 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 Oh, come on. You have to stay here for 5 days. I guess. Leader. Yeah? Today we will fly north and tomorrow we will fly south. Tomorrow we will fly south like normal birds. Oh, okay. We'll go north to south. Yeah, north to south. Okay, I see. Every bird. Yes. We are going north. But all the birds going to the south in winters. But tomorrow we will go south. Today we will go south. No, north. Oh, okay. Every birds, we are going north, and from there we will go back to south like normal birds. Yeah. But what about your egg? I'll keep it in one bag. Oh wait. I can just carry it in the incubator. Oh, the egg wants to come. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, bird, go. I'm flying to north. Me too. Me also. I'm coming. Let's go. I'm also coming. Let's go north. Go, flock, go. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I'll carry my babies in the incubator too. Okay. What about you, Blue Jay? Would you like to come with me? Your mother. Oh, there we go. Inside. Okay. There. Go, birds, go. Ow. Let's go, my little ones. Don't leave Papa. Oh, your father is also coming, of course. The whole flock is coming. Oh, okay, okay. While they sit on there, they will also sit on the eggs. Then the baby will come. Oh, great idea. Yeah. Let's go. Who cost? I don't know. Go, birds, go! I'm coming, leader. Let's go. Go, birds! I'm coming. I can't walk. Oh no, I will take him. Okay, let's go. The siren is also on. That means, oh no, that means that they are almost going to leave. Quick! Is everybody here? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, all of them are there. Yep, definitely. Hey, hold on. Where's that baby? Where's that baby goose? Yeah. Oh. Ah, oh no. Baby goose, yes. We are not taking you because you're too little in size. What? Yeah, you're littler than Peacock's baby. Oh, so you have to stay here. Okay. Go, birds, go! We are here in North. Oh. Okay. Oh. Is it the North? Yeah, it's the North. I'm okay. Okay. We are here. Let me roam around. Get off me, Bolly. Oops, sorry. It's okay. Oh, we are here. Let me just walk a little. Ow. Okay, wrong way. Let's go. Okay. Can we get off now? Yeah, you can get off, kids. There's the egg. Must be around here. There it is. I'll sit on it. Okay, pink parrot. Even though you're a boy, you can watch the eggs. Let me go. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Almost forgot about my phone. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go. You know what? I'm just going to go to. Ow. Let me go. Let's go. Sorry guys, that was a mistake. Hey, there's only big birds here. Oh, okay. I'm going to go. Oh, sorry, it's okay. We are in the north of India. What? Yeah. Come on. But we will go back to Delhi once we finish our duty here. What's the duty? There are overgrowing plants, so we have to eat them to keep the plant population in control. Yeah, that was what I forgot to say. Yeah, that was what I was going to say. There we go. I got it correct. Okay, now I said it. Now everybody knows. Okay. Thanks for speaking. You're welcome. I gave you some rest. Okay. Let's start eating. Okay. I see one. Finished. Let's get eating, but I am a non-veg bird that doesn't eat other birds. So, I don't know how plants taste, but I have to give it a try. Ooh, not to lie, it's actually not bad. I'll eat it all. Now I have a new favorite food called plants. Finished. Yup. Let's get eating. Ooh, there's one. Oh, ow. Hee hee. Those who have finished, stand there. Finished. Time for me. Haha. Woohoo! Oopsie doops. That's one thing to look after to not do. Not knocking off the camera. That's the rule. And the second rule, eat the plants. Each bird will eat each plant. I can walk a little, but I can't walk for too long. Let me just lay down. Found one. Huh? Other birds. Maybe they are also eating. Yes! Good work, birds. My turn. This one is hidden right here. Haha. There's one more. Oh, wait a second. Oh. Let me make it stand so that I can eat easily. There we go. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now I'll eat it whole. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Oh, the one plant is just growing out of nowhere. We have to eat, otherwise the whole city will be flood of plants. So we have to eat. Haha. Great job, birds. Let's go. Finished. Go, go. Haha. Let's go. Yeah. Ow. Be careful. Okay. Oh, there's one. Let's both eat it together. Teamwork. Yeah. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah. Finished. And this one, the others will eat. Oopsie oops. Wrong way. I already ate, I guess. Oh wait, or maybe not. Yeah, I think I've ate. Yeah, I think. Let me come. I'll just eat another one. Oh, one is right here. Woohoo! My turn. I guess. I think. Goody. Time for me to go. Ooh, again it glowed. Oh. Oh. Damn. Oh, this is just another plant. It was there and this one is here. Our duty is going fast. Ow. My turn. Oh, there it is. Let me climb up there. And now I'll eat. Yes. My turn. This game is awesome. This game is awesome. My turn. Oh, oopsie doops, I backflipped. Oh, oop. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. My turn. Wow. Booyah. Let's do it. I've completed. There's one more plant near it. Ow. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Leader, why are you not eating? I'll go in the last. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. My turn. Oh, here's one. Good. Time for me to eat. 3 more birds left. That's me, the leader, and the Mr. Pigeon. Oh, that's good progress. My turn. I'm the second last. Done. Now the last one, the leader's turn. Okay, looks like it's my turn now. This is the last plant, and the other plants will be here. This is the last plant in the list. This is the last plant in the list, I mean. Yes, mission completed. Our duty is finished. Now we can head back to Delhi. So our duty is finished. Now let's go north to Delhi. Let's go north to Delhi after our duty is finished. That is already done. Come on, kids. Time to hop back to the incubator. Okay, mommy. Okay. We are in. Okay, mommy is just coming. Ow. Okay, I'm just going to here. I'm just going to... Ow. Ow. Okay, I'll just sit with support. Oh, even though it's not working, what's happened to my legs? It's getting weaker. I'm tired of all this running. There. Hold on, kids. Mommy is coming. I'm here. Let's go. Oh, father is also coming. Let's go. Every bird, fly back to Delhi. We made it, flock. We are all back. Hey, but wait. Where is Chicky, Toucan, Cockatoo, Mr. Pigeon, and the peacock? Right here. Oh, they're there. Yeah, we are here. Okay, now we completed our duty, right? Yeah, tomorrow we will do another duty. Let's just cancel flying to south. Let's just cancel that. Phew. We don't have to more do that duties because I'm so tired of it. Me too. Me too. Me too. And me too. Everybody is tired. So let's just sleep in our beds that we made. ourselves with wood. It's not that it's not that comfortable in the bird city. It's more comfortable, right? Ow. Yeah, it's more comfortable in the bird city. But what do we do if we don't have the correct beds? We just made it out of wood. No blankets, no pillows. So hard. I know. I wish I was in the bird city with you guys. I don't know how it looks, but I wish I was there. Me too. It hurts when I go to bed. Yeah, everybody's spine hurts when we go to the wooden bed. Ow, 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 ow. The wood is pinching me, but to stay uh, energy, we have to sleep on these hard wooden pinching beds. Yeah, I can't believe I'm doing this. I wish I was in my home in the bird city. Yeah, no, it is everybody's home, right? Yeah, it's everybody's home. I don't want to sleep, but we have to. Yeah. Come on, there's Ducky's bed. And when the taxi comes, we will all break it down so that it doesn't cause any trouble for hiking people to cross it. As we were saying, the hiking birds will get no trouble crossing the beds, so we will break it with the axe. Okay, when we go back, of course. I am so tired of these wooden old beds. It's so hard, and I don't like to sleep when it's woody. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. There. Duck. There's Duck's bed. I'm sleeping. Okay, I'm coming. There's mine. Let's go. I'll sleep with my daddy. Of course. Let's sleep. Ow. Let's go. Oh, ow. Okay. Oh, ow. Sorry. I'm bouncing. Let's sleep. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ow. Okay. Ow. Oh, today is such a crushy day. Today I will call it crushy day. Okay. Did you know yellow parrot is my brother and red parrot is my brother? Okay, let's go. Ow, ow. Kids, come on, get out of the incubator. Okay. Wait for me. Now let's flip it over. Let's flash the light down there and see if the egg is still in there. I don't see it. Let's lift up the incubator in 3, 2, 1. Okay, there it is. Maybe you can see it now. There it is. Let's go. Come on, kids. Why do we have one big wooden bed? I mean, one big wooden bed. Because we are a family, you know. Okay. Okay. I'll just plug the wire. Wait a second. Wire is inside. There it is. Oh no, my egg. A few, ow, ow. Okay, got it. Quickly now. Quickly. Let me plug it in. I plugged it in, and now one final check if it's inside. Yep, it's inside. Okay, and switch on it. Okay, it's working. But wait, it stopped. Wait. Oh no, it's off. Let me on it. Let me turn on it again. Good. Now let's go. It's incubating. Time to sleep. Oh, what's this? Throw it away. Feel. No. Sleep, kids. Okay. Yeah, okay. I wonder how the 5 days is going to pass by. Is going to fly by. Yeah, as I was saying that I wonder how the 5 days is going to fly by until we get to the taxi after 5 days. I'm just going to sleep. Good luck of surviving in this cold jungle near the airport.